Welcome back to our channel. We're so glad to have you here with us today. Today, I'm showing you how to make a delicious and nutritious Masoor Dal, also known as red lentil curry. This dish is perfect for any day of the week, whether it's a busy weeknight or a relaxed weekend. Let's dive right in and get started. First, let's take a look at our ingredients. It's always good to have everything ready before you start cooking. You'll need 1 cup of red lentils, also known as Masoor Dal, 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, which adds a wonderful depth of flavor, 1 to 2 slit green chilies depending on how spicy you like it, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, which will give a nice earthy aroma, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder for that beautiful golden color, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste to enhance all the flavors, 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee, whichever you prefer for cooking, and some fresh coriander for garnish, which adds a fresh, vibrant touch. Got all that? Great! Now let's get these lentils ready. Start by rinsing your red lentils under cold water until the water runs clear. This step is crucial to get rid of any excess starch and ensure your dal isn't too cloudy. Make sure to rinse thoroughly, as this will also help in cooking the lentils evenly. Once rinsed, add the lentils to a pot with water, a pinch of turmeric, and salt to taste. Bring it all to a boil, making sure to stir occasionally. We're going to cook the lentils until they're soft and tender, which should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them to ensure they don't overcook. While those lentils are cooking, let's prepare the tempering, which will add a burst of flavor to our dal. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee in a pan. The choice between oil and ghee can affect the flavor profile. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter. This releases their essential oils and flavors. Next, toss in your chopped onions and sauté them until they're golden brown. This step is key for a rich caramelized flavor. This is where the magic starts to happen. The aroma will fill your kitchen. Now, stir in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and your slit green chilies. Sauté these for a minute or so until fragrant. This will enhance the overall flavor of the dish. Add in your chopped tomatoes and cook until they're soft and integrated into the mixture. This will create a nice thick base for our dal. Alright, our lentils are cooked and our tempering is ready. Time to bring it all together. This is the exciting part. Pour the cooked lentils into the pan with the tempering and give it a good mix. Make sure everything is well combined. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and let it simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. If the dal looks too thick, you can adjust the consistency with a bit of water. Stir well to incorporate. Finally, for the best part, garnishing and serving. Top your Masoor Dal with some fresh coriander. This adds a burst of color and freshness. Serve it up hot with rice or roti. It's a perfect combination. Enjoy this hearty and wholesome meal with your loved ones. And there you have it. A delicious bowl of Masoor Dal that's as healthy as it is tasty. It's sure to become a family favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Enjoy your meal and happy cooking!